On this channel, a vlog video I made some time ago got about 4,000 views and with a CPM of about $3.48 and an RPM of $1.84, which means with 100,000 views, I could get about $180. While with another video on productivity, its CPM is $31.99 and its RPM is $12.15, which could earn me over $1,000 with 100,000 views. I can show you this is a US dollar value and not a Taiwanese dollar. It is easier to make a U-turn when heading towards a wrong destination than to change from your current niche to another on YouTube. So lately, I've been asked how one can change from their current niche to another without hurting one's channel, or is it better to create a new YouTube channel for the new content type? So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to go about it. That is, if you are contemplating changing from your current niche to a new one without having much impact on your channel. You may wonder why one would want to change from their current niche. Well, if you're not a content creator on YouTube, you won't understand. You may want to change from your current niche for many reasons. For example, if you started your YouTube channel by making videos on a particular niche that was trending when you started, and you felt that you can join the trend to go viral, and along the line, you eventually discover that the content you are making is quite different from what you are passionate about. So this could be a reason for you to consider to change your niche. For example, there was a buzz in the fashion world when you started your YouTube channel, and you felt that making videos on fashion trends will be the in thing that could lead to your videos going viral. So along the line, you discover that making the content in fashion trends is taking its toll on you, whereas you can naturally make videos on yoga with less stress. So at this point, you might consider switching from making content on fashion trends to making videos on yoga. I hope you get the point. Like the earnings I shared earlier, you may find yourself making vlogging videos because others are doing it, and later realize that you can make more money through ad revenue by creating content on productivity, which is something you are also good at. So you can find yourself in these situations or others that I won't have the time to explain in this video. You need to understand that you have to prepare yourself for the worst. However, there are some steps you can take to reduce the impact it will have on your channel. When you switch to another niche, you will notice a drop in your viewership. This shouldn't come as a surprise to you because, for example, on this channel, if I change my channel's content type to content on cryptocurrency, most of you won't bother to watch my new videos on cryptocurrency when you see their thumbnails on your feed, because this wasn't what you subscribed to my channel for in the first place. So when the algorithm noticed that most of my subscribers are not clicking to watch my new videos on cryptocurrency, it will stop recommending my videos to them and other similar audiences, and this will drastically affect the viewership or the views on my channel. So it could take the algorithm several months or so for it to figure out a new audience that will be interested in my new videos on cryptocurrency. So you should keep in mind, when you change to another niche, it could take some months or even over a year for your content to bounce back. It all depends on how frequently you upload videos and how intriguing your content is. Some of you may know a popular YouTuber who switched from YouTube education to vlogging some years back. Her channel hasn't recovered even after she switched back to her former niche. During her channel's prime, her videos do get tens of thousands of views, even up to hundreds of thousands of views. But since she switched into making content on vlogging, she barely gets up to 3,000 views on her new uploads, even with her over 100,000 subscribers. So even as a subscriber to her channel, I hardly see her videos on my feeds because YouTube no longer recommends her videos to me since she changed her niche. Before you switch, you need to know that one of the ways to reduce the impact of switching to another niche on your channel is to introduce your new content type gradually, not necessarily switching suddenly. For example, if you upload 8 videos in a month, you can dedicate 2 of these videos to the new content type, and as the month goes by, you can increase it to 3, 4, and so on. This strategy will enable you to test the water gradually. While you may lose some views from your current audience, you will slowly gain new audience for your new content type, and you'll be surprised that some of your old audience might enjoy your new content and be convinced to stay active on your channel. When you change to another niche, there's no guarantee that you will get more views, especially if you are switching from entertainment niche to other type of niche. It all depends on the size of the audience available to the niche you are trying to switch to. For example, if you are getting tens of thousands of views with entertainment niche, you don't expect to get the same amount of views when you switch to another type of content like educational. Generally, the size of the audience interested in entertainment content are usually larger than audience interested in other type of content like educational, finance, and the rest. Before you switch, make sure that you are very good at creating content on the niche that you're about to switch to, because this will determine how fast your channel will recover from audience loss. But if your content is too generic, your channel might struggle for a very long time. And I guess this was the problem with the popular YouTuber I spoke about earlier in this video. Another great way to analyze how popular changing your content type on your channel will be among your current audience is to share a poll on your community tab. This will give you a good idea of how your audience will accept your new content, and you can make a better decision with their response. If most of them say yes to it, you can change your niche quickly. If not, you can find a better way to work around it. Also, before you switch, be sure that you're not switching to another niche because it is high paying. Most high paying niches are somewhat boring and you must be very skilled at them. So it is only your passion for the new content type that will keep you going, even if it is going to be a very long journey. There's this question that is commonly asked, that should one create a new channel for another niche? My answer to this is that managing one YouTube channel is hard work. Managing 2 is even harder. So if you're a small creator with few thousand subscribers, I would suggest that you maintain one channel if you are trying to switch or change niche. Because how can you cope with a second channel when you are still struggling to build one? However, if your plan is to create content on both niches at the same time, okay, you can, create another channel for it. That is okay. But you need to know that it all depends on your manpower, because multitasking has never been an asset in this context. But if you have grown your YouTube channel to a viable place, like you already have hundreds of thousands of subscribers and your videos are getting tens of thousands of views, it will be easier for you to create and grow a new channel. Check out 𝗪𝗥𝗫𝗏. With millions of subscribers, he was able to create and grow more channels. And one of them he just started last year has quickly gotten over 500,000 subscribers. And a good number of his videos on the new channel are viewed in millions. Also, 𝗪𝗪𝗥𝗏, the popular Nigerian YouTuber who creates content on cooking, started another channel last year on fashion and elegance, and she quickly grew it to over 250,000 subscribers within a year. And the new channel is presently gaining more views on its recent uploads than her first channel, which is currently about to hit 1 million subscribers. It took both 𝗪𝗥𝗫𝗏 and 𝗪𝗪𝗥𝗏 many years to build their channels, but from what we can see, growing their subsequent channels wasn't as difficult for them because of their experience and the team working with them. These guys have mastered the craft of building successful channels, and they can replicate one anytime they are ready for it. So you can take a cue from them. Switching to another niche will never be easy, and managing multiple channels at the early stage of your YouTube growth or YouTube journey might be futile. So switch softly, and if you need to start another channel, get additional hands. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section. They could help someone, and I'm ready to read them. Thanks for watching. See you soon.